heritage was something which was fascinating for me since my childhood, and during the course of time I visited multiple places which were of heritage importance, but we have living heritage also in our families. So this was something which interested me to join this course. During this period of 2 years, we got opportunity to attend many international and national conferences, workshops and symposiums, where we got to meet many international famed professionals who are into heritage management and heritage education, which helped us to know the global discourses which are there into heritage field.